Howdy neighbors, Graham here from Team 3 Caller Data. Talk to you guys a little bit about our project, Pocket Guide today. So, sort of the inspiration behind this project was to have a place where small local businesses, primarily owned by minority groups such as people of color or women, to give them a place where they can get some recognition for their business. And we know that small local businesses nowadays are having trouble competing with some of the bigger stores, especially during COVID, and they're having issues staying open. So I thought this might be a cool solution to help those businesses out. So I'll go into kind of how it works. So currently we're on the home page right now. You can create a user, and you can also log in or search a business. So this is what the create user page is, but for the sake of time, I'm not going to create a user right now. I already have my own user, so I'm going to just go ahead and log in. So I use my email, and don't peek at my password, I swear. And so I'm logged in. It has my name on there, so it knows me. Someone knows me, cool. So now I can check out the businesses these are all the businesses in the database that we have. So it will have the name of it, the type, the location, the hours, the owner, and the website of the business. So you can see we got lots of businesses in here. Lots of businesses we're helping out. So we can go ahead and search something. Let's say I'm feeling Mexican tonight. So using pattern matching, it'll pull up Mexican restaurants from our database. So it's showing me Dos Reales and Maiz. Both gas restaurants. If you haven't checked them out, you definitely would. Just wear a mask, obviously. So two things that it shows off the bat. It'll show you the average ratings of all the restaurants or businesses that have ratings in our database. We don't have a whole ton of ratings at the moment, so these are all the ratings that we have, all the average ratings we have right now. And these are all the actual ratings from people that inserted ratings into our website. You can see the business, the person who did it, the rating they gave, and the date from which they gave this rating. So let's say that I went to Dos Reales one night, got some margs, had a pretty chill time. So put in the business ID. I know it's tacky, but we didn't have time to make it fancy. Dos Reales restaurant. Sorry, I'm typing slow. It's a little late. I had a pretty chill time. Slurped down some margs. Give it a 9. And that was a bit of a lie. I did not go get marks tonight, unfortunately, but yeah, we'll put that in there. So it shows that this was inserted into our table. And then also you can see that my rating showed up here in the table, and also it got averaged into Dos Reales here. As you can see, the rating changed. Now let's say that I want to apply to a really cool job, but I don't want them to see that I was slurping margs at Dos Reales. So I can just put in the ID of the business, and I can delete that. So I got deleted. So now you can see that my rating is no longer there. Same thing works for the update, sake of time. And then basically our advanced function that we did was based on a restaurant that you looked at. You can find similar restaurants based on location, um, the culture of the culture of the business, whether it's like a Mexican restaurant or it's owned by an African American, those sort of things. We can find similar businesses. Let's say I want to find um, similar businesses to Dos Reales. So it's showing up the restaurant that I chose, Dos Reales, and then it's showing me the Caribbean Grill, Rum Burgers Wings, yada yada. So it's popping up similar restaurants based on our algorithm. And we'll conclude that with my tour. We're going a little over time here, so thanks for watching. Yeah, cheers.